Hello everyone, Peter Smerod here with Wolf Ridge Environmental Learning Center. I hope you're all safe, healthy, and doing as well as possible given the shared global health crisis in which we're immersed. The coronavirus is having impact all over the world, and certainly so here at Wolf Ridge Environmental Learning Center. Since mid-March, our team has been poring over the science and considering the pandemic trend projections, as well as acknowledging our tremendous responsibility to keep people safe. We have come to a tough yet important decision. Wolf Ridge, I'm sorry to say, is canceling all summer programs for 2020. Our youth camps and wilderness trips, adult and family programs, our credit camps, as well as our school and group programs. As we have people that come from all over the state, even around the entire country, all gathering together here at Wolf Ridge during the summer, as we looked at all of the different strategies we could employ to keep people safe, to mitigate the risk of spread of COVID-19, we kept coming to the same conclusion. The right answer is, in the interest of the safety of all those people, to keep our facility closed. Note, this is also really, it feels, the first step in assuring that, difficult as it may be, we are going to get through this crisis, be standing strong, and will someday in the near distant future be able to welcome you again onto this hilltop overlooking Lake Superior. We want to stay connected with you. Please reach out to us. Follow us on social media. Engage with us there. Please look for our almanac coming out in the end of May. Also follow our online digital learning packages, our Adventures in Learning. If you Google Wolf Ridge Online, you'll get that link. Share it with families, school teachers, and groups. It's inspiring learning all over the country. Mostly, please share our story. Please tell people about Wolf Ridge and the magic and the learning that occurs up here. It's really important for us to keep that inspiration about what we're doing here and to share that with others. During this difficult time, we as a team at Wolf Ridge remain even more firmly committed to the power and inspiration of the learning that occurs here. We know the value it brings to so many people. I've had many people comment to me that, Pete, when this is all over, Wolf Ridge is going to be needed even more than ever before. We will need to have experiences like this as part of our healing as we come out of this health crisis. Know that we're going to be there for you. We ask you to stick with us through the coming months ahead. Stay strong, stay healthy. Until we can meet again at Wolf Ridge, please find an outdoor space and find some inspiring learning that nature can bring to you.